on. So I actually shorted AUDJPY in like an hour-ish, longer than an hour ago. Almost 3 hours ago though. And yeah, so let's just see how that... I just scaled in, so the trade is more or less working from now on. Let's see how that works out. Actually, I haven't set a stop loss yet, since the position is quite small. And it's still in the 4-hour range, so supposed to drop down, but let's see, this maybe not happen now.
Aussie yen.
Wow, this is really far. I'm not gonna take it that far, that's for sure.
Aussie yen. Aussie yen.
You say we're falling like stars, and I didn't notice the chaos inside my heart. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. When were you gonna tell me? Something's wrong, I feel it circling like vultures around my brain. Couldn't see the danger in your eyes. Draw me in, got me spinning now like water to a drain. You were perfect till I realized you hadn't shown your face. You sing a pretty song to drag my heart along, a siren serenade. You're ringing out your praise. Your love's a wreck and you know it's wrong. I was deaf to the ringing bells, wanting me to break, deafened by the sirens' soothing lies. I can't leave, I am in too deep, been sinking for a while, prisoner to the same thing I despise, devoted to a fake. You sing a pretty song to drag my heart along, a siren serenade. You're ringing out your praise. Your love's a wreck and you know it's wrong. It's over, same story. You lose to love and glory. It's over, same story. You lose to love and glory. You sing a pretty song to drag my heart along, a siren serenade. You're ringing out your praise. Your love's a wreck and you know it's wrong. It's over, same story. You lose to love and glory. It's over, same story. You lose to love and glory.
Aussie yen. Aussie dollar. Aussie yen.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Looking in the rearview mirror, my decisions may be clearer. You say I'll never find somebody like you. Find somebody like you. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So pitiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get high out of your love. So pitiful. Yeah, you. You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your time. Well, I enjoy this bumpy ride. I sure appreciate the lies. I can say my heart is bleeding. Looking at me in the mirror. You never made my body shut down. Body shut down. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So pitiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get high out of your love. So
Aussie dollar.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. whenever you around. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so what you know. People like you, they're just so predictable. So beautiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get a high out of your love. So
Aussie dollar. Pound yen. Aussie dollar. Aussie yen. Pound yen. Aussie dollar yen. Aussie dollar. Pound yen.
According to the Handelsblatt, the ECB stress test is to show European banks' robustness. Put the full piece up on the board from Handelsblatt once we found it. They're quoting ECB Vice President Luis de Guindos, revealing in advance that results will be largely positive of the ECB stress test. Put the full piece up on the board.
Aussie yen.
ECB Vice President says they also expect inflation to peak in the autumn. And he warns against slow monetary policy too abruptly. Comments here from the ECB Vice President Luis de Guindos, made to Handelsblatt.
Euro yen. European equity news, BNP Paribas with their second quarter numbers. Second quarter income, 2.91 billion, beats the 2.25 billion expected.
Trading revenue 1.15 billion beats the 1.05 billion expected. Total revenue 11.78 billion beats the 11.22 billion expected. Net income 396 million. Again, that's a beat on the 230 expected. Looks like beats here for BNP Paribas.
Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Aussie dollar.
I just want you all to hear it.
dollar. Aussie yen. Aussie yen.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hey Swing. What are we shredding today?
ASEAN as usual. I'm not so sure about the drop, if it's actually gonna play out or not. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna play out. This is like a 4-hour signal I have since a few days. But I'm not so sure how deep it's gonna go for now. So I will hold that very, very with easy trigger fingers, something like that. By the way, you can also always read in my blog what I'm doing. You can, if you go to the website, it's always gonna show my recent what to say, what I'm doing, my draft. So let's say like that, even before I published it.
Let me ask, do you have a guideline to adding on trades? Your blog is after the session, no?
No, you can see my draft. Just go to yes, if you go to SwingFish.trade, let's just do it real quick. So there's here a new log draft. If you click there, you can see what I'm already preparing to. This is gonna be the next blog entry, of course. But you can already see what I have done, because when I do it, I usually type it.
Let me check out the website.
On the bottom there is an orange button if I have an active draft. Yeah, only 2 lines for now. I just sell earlier. ASEAN. Actually, that is not true. I should have added my scale-ins.
Just under 10 minutes away from the bottom of the hour, do have French GDP data due for release for the second quarter, the prelim report. Quarter on quarter seen at spot 8% against a prior minus spot 1. And year on year French GDP seen at 17.5% against a prior 1.2%. Also get consumer spending for June seen at spot 7 on the month and minus 2.1% on the year.
So I'm just for the sake of this argument, I'm just adding here a line and then save it. And if you go now to the blog again, yeah, and press new draft, I see there's already the line showing.
New log draft. Seen it.
You have to reload it yourself, but you can usually see when I'm actually editing it, so it's not top secret.
Happy birthday to the wifey. I wanted to ask, how is my withdrawal transaction coming along?
That depends. I don't really know who you are. 17 pending, but most of them are new.
I'm Dollarimbaman. What are you going to do for the birthday? Fits in well cause it's a weekend.
I cannot really find that user.
Jobmusiemi@ is my email address.
Thanks, that should work.
Is there a way to subscribe to the blogs?
Oh, I see. That's still pending, but this was within this week, so that's all right. But today is Friday, so it's gonna be executed in a few hours. Let's say latest within the next 24 hours after the interest is being paid.
So we're looking for spot 8 on the quarter and 17 spot 5% on the year. Consumer spending seen at spot 7 on the month and -2 spot 1 on the year in June.
Now it's 12:27. Sorry, 1:27 Singapore time. So it's up in about 11 hours. The interest is being paid, and after that, all the transactions being settled. Damn, the Aussie dollar is fighting really hard.
Hey, thanks.
Maybe this is not really working. Trying really hard to stay green.
Euro yen.
Let me give it a look. Aussie.
Just under 1 minute till French GDP. We're looking for spot 8% on the quarter. Ten seconds.
The sell looks feasible. Give it time.
9% on the quarter, 187 showing on the year. Going to double check these numbers. That might be an error via the wires. Yeah, I'm seeing spot 9% quarter on quarter. I believe it may have been a mistake by one of the news wires here. French GDP quarter on quarter showing spot 9% versus spot 8% expected. French consumer spending 3% month on month, minus 24% on the year. French GDP was 18.7% year on year. That was above the 17.5% expected. Just to repeat those French GDP numbers to avoid confusion. Spot 9% quarter on quarter beats the spot 8% expected. And year on year comes in at 18.7%, beats the 17.5% expected.
It's dropping. Got a target?
Yes, I have. This white trend line here, let me just make that a little bit bigger. If it drops now, it will be around 8764. Final one will be yeah, but this is very aggressive. 8635. I'm not so sure this is actually gonna happen, so I will take profit at this level here. Maybe I'm finding a better one. This is already broken. This is too sharp. Let me just make one real quick. This one looks too sharp. Oh no, it's lining up actually. It's a little bit lower. Too many lines. Let me just make a different color here for this one. Either the white one or the purple one. And assuming that the purple one is gonna take another 1 or 2 hours, that will also line up with S1.
Let's see where the hour closes.
Gold.
O is leading the charge from my analysis.
You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight it.
Euro yen.
Hypnotized, stuck inside my mind because you gotta be something undefined for me. You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you and your intention. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide this. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide. You go free. I love everything will be 'cause you're gonna ruin my reputation.
Price 80.874 is the one to watch.
We combine, you know I can't deny it. Intertwined, sand is skin so close to mine. You gotta be such a mystery for me. Blow my mind. I
Euro
just
yen.
can't deny. Replay in my mind of
Catch you later, swing.
yen.
Where's your SL on Aussie yen?
A bit above the high it made. It's too late now. Okay, you could actually make a trend line. Let me just have a look real quick. Yeah, you could make a trend line and then okay, let's just go on 3 minute. If you enter now, then there we go. We'll make a trend line like that, so I will stop it out above the VWAP. Yeah, let's just take the previous high, 8952 if I want to enter now. I will not go in full size in case it pulls back up to the VWAP and you can add some serious size. It's more like the time to take profit actually, to be honest. Because it consolidated at this level quite a few times. On the way up, it's stuck there for almost a week. And it just went down this morning, but I'm not so sure this indicates that it's gonna make a new low. And my target is a new low. But yeah, this is a tricky one. It's more like take profit territory than entering.
It is a very solid support area you pointed out. I'm short Aussie dollar, that's why I was asking.
If already in, I would hold it. I mean, I'm trying to hold on to it too, but I will not get it much higher than the VWAP. I shorted it all the way up at the pivot when it tested the pivot the first time this morning.
Euro yen.
Just under 3 minutes till the top of the hour. No top tier European data scheduled for release this morning. Do have a few more earnings still to come though. International Airlines Group, NatWest and Glencore all due to update this morning.
Euro yen. Gold. Gold. Nasdaq. Pound yen. Pound yen. NASDAQ. Euro dollar.
Comments from the UK Transport Minister, Shap, says we're moving in the right direction on travel.
Euro dollar. Pound yen. Aussie yen. Euro dollar. dollar. Euro dollar. Euro dollar.
Comments from the French finance minister following the GDP data says second quarter French growth is better than forecast and marks an exceptional performance by the French economy. Does put them on track to meet their 6% growth target for the whole of the year.
Jacks. NASDAQ. Pound yen.
Oh, I missed my exit. Oh no, it's out. So no mind, no mind.
That does leave us just under 10 minutes away from French CPI data for July. This will be the preliminary read. CPI month on month seen at minus 1% against a prior spot 1. CPI year on year seen rising 1% against a prior 1.5. And for the EU harmonised, French CPI seen at minus 1 on the month against a prior spot 2. And year on year seen at 1.4% against the prior 1.9.
Pound yen.
Oh, the euro is spiking back up. I better take profit here. Yeah, this looks pretty bad actually. Pound yen and euro yen is also holding the VWAP. Yeah, I'm gonna exit here.
Close all.
It's not the target, I know, but I'm not gonna take that risk. The session change could make this actually worse. And the VWAP isn't, I mean, it's starting to bend down. And the target is, this is like half the way. This is actually pretty bad. Anyway, just take the money on the run, but I guess. I'm pretty convinced it's gonna keep going down though. Just don't wanna take the risk.
Pound yen. Euro dollar.
Just under 3 minutes till French CPI. This is the July report, the prelim read, month on month seen at -0.1, year on year 1%, and for EU harmonised month on month seen at -0.1%, year on year 1.4%. Data in just under 3 minutes.
Gold.
1 minute till French CPI. 10 seconds. Spot 1% on the month and 1 spot 2% on the year for headline. EU harmonised spot 1 on the month and 1 spot 6% on the year. French CPI comes in higher than expected. Year on year headline 1 spot 2 versus 1%. EU harmonised 1 spot 6% versus 1 spot 4. The latest German election poll for ZDF, Merkel's bloc 28%, that's a 2-point drop.
Dollar index.
Meanwhile, the German Green Party 21%, that's up 1 point.
Dollar index.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Baby. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Baby. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Baby. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
We're 10 minutes away from the top of the hour. More European data scheduled. We'll be leading with the Spanish GDP for the second quarter, the prelim report. Quarter on quarter seen at 2.1%, a prior -0.4%. Year on year seen at 18.9% against a prior -4.2%. Italian retail sales due as well, seasonally adjusted year on year for June, seen rising by 10% against a prior 19.6%. In Italy, the unemployment rate for June seen rising to 10.6% from 10.5%, and the Swiss KOF leading indicator for July seen pulling back to 129.5 from 133.4.
Dollar index.
Morning, everyone.
Hey,
Sup?
yeah, shot it out again this morning.
Yeah, how'd that go?
Actually, it went straight down, but I was very, very light because whatever, just sell like 20,000 and have a stop loss like 1,000 pips away.
Man,
And it went actually back up, put me in a tiny loss. I think it's 4.5 pips loss. Just crossed the pivot, but I wasn't at home when that happened. I would have scaled in so hard.
dude, that fucking sucks. Like, hell yeah, it moved a lot, but I didn't have much sizing. Also, I got in a loss. It's like, Nice.
Oh wait, I show you on the pip chart and you see what I mean.
Yeah. Just sounds like the universe is just telling you to go fuck yourself. It's funny though. Yeah.
Put it in voice context. Fuck it, I'm gonna put it in a trading room.
Oh shit. Wait.
Dollar index.
So you didn't get in a loss, or?
See, I sold it before I left in the morning. One position.
Oh, I see that fucker. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But that's just 20,000. It's like nothing. And this one went into a loss about, let me just check. Yeah, 4.5 pips. It's not. But if I would have been at home and saw that, I would sold it so hard. With at least 10 times the position size put on.
Yeah, and I see where it went a lot. Well, yeah, it's unfortunate, but hey, at least I thought all that happened was like you were in profit potentially a lot, but didn't have much size on, and then got in a loss. But hey, at least
No. I just got in a loss with the initial position, but that was my, I don't know,
Cable.
$20. Who gives a shit?
Yeah. You went and lost a few pips with fucking point 0.2. Sorry, I'm on Metatrade.
And then it went down, and I came back home, and I just, oh, it's gonna get back up to the VWAP, and I just starting to sell it every time it touched the VWAP. Okay, another lot.
Another lot. Yeah, I just started out with 0.2 lots, and now I'm just stacking in lots. I don't know how my average moved, but I'm sure it's fine. I like it. It's funny.
Actually, somebody asked me when that happened, when it was down there,
Just under 3
all the
minutes.
positions were green, and then somebody did actually ask me.
On the quarter, 18.9% on the year. Spanish retail sales for June seen rising 10% on the year, and the Italian unemployment rate seen at 10.6% in June. Also get the Swiss KOF leading indicator for July seen at 129.5.
I was actually saying, this is more like take profit territory here than selling.
Yeah, but
And immediately it went back up to the VWAP, and okay, fuck you. 2 more lots.
yeah, that must have been a little stressful.
I just took profit at the session low, fuck it. My target is actually a lot lower, it's almost S2.
Cable.
Hey, fair enough. I mean,
At least S1.
yeah. Well, you know, it went up to that daily pivot, rejected, ran down, got below VWAP. I mean, that's, albeit that was when you were in a loss, so that's not terrible. That's
I sold it. I sold it. I tested the pivot in the morning, and then I sold it like two pivot below the pivot. And I just walked out. Went immediately down.
yeah, it went down, but hey, but even before that, it never actually touched it, which is a big deal. I mean, and then it rejected, ran down. So I mean, like what I'm saying is like aiming for the previous low kind of makes sense. It makes sense. A lot of bears.
1 minute till data.
Pretty good.
It does fight a lot though, but the downwards momentum is much larger than the upwards, so that's why I'm thinking it's still gonna go down. And I actually have a short signal on the 4 hour.
Well, I mean, it makes sense why you just took profit, but that S1 looking pretty good, huh?
Yeah, if I go to my, hold on, my main chart, I have like a million trend lines, but they actually, what's that? They actually do make some sense. Hold on a second. Yeah, I have a 5th chart here. What the fuck? Just magically a chart appearing. Not sure how that happened. Alright, oh sorry, this is 4 hour. It's the 15 minute, yeah. On the 15 minute it's pretty clear lining up with S1. And not exactly, but almost.
Hmm.
You on the live stream? If not, I'm gonna make a photo.
I'm gonna go check out Aussie yen. Do my little
Week rising just 1 spot, 4% was seen up 10%, and the Italian unemployment rate drops to 9.7% from 10.2% prior, was seen rising to 10.6.
Let me just recolor them real quickly. Okay. Yeah, the purple one is actually my target line. Usually they are white or green, but I have so many different lines there, so I just had to use a different color. And the blue one is actually the head and shoulders from when the price actually turned. So, and you can see it. It was respected a few times. That's why I keep it there. So my target was the white one, structural low, or the purple line, which is larger structure over 3-4 days.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking at Aussie yen more now, yeah.
So there are a lot of lines, but they all have some. They're not garbage. They all have a reason. I'm gonna put it in the trading room.
Yeah, it can break down, but it could also just go up. They rejected off of 81.5. Okay, that's interesting, right? So it rejects from a midway psych level, runs down and hits 80.6, almost 5. And then it runs up, hits 81.3. 80. So probably wants to go down to...
But it's right now, actually.
Yeah, it might just fucking break down. Yeah, I mean, it already went up to 81.5. It's not like it's trying to hit a 0.5 psych level anymore, right? Either it fucking rallies or it doesn't. So, it could just break down.
Like literally right now.
Yeah, like literally right now. How mad would you be if I got in there with a pizza amount of money? I need to stop doing that. I'm not doing that shit anymore.
I'm not selling it, but this is like a strong sell. I mean, it just got rejected really hard from the Viva.
Yeah.
Actually, if I would held it, I would actually get stepped out because I scaled in so much I had to move the stop. And I moved it just above the recent highs. And this spike up just now went over.
I like how you start off with 20k and then you start piling in one lot. You're like, my average. Fuck my average.
Fuck the average. Just move to stop.
That's pretty good. See, that's comedy genius right there that few could appreciate.
I just saw it. I still have a red line there where my last. I scaled in and then I moved to stop, and I would have gotten stopped out by just now by 0.8 pips.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna hold on. Let me see if. I'm looking at the 1 hour. Let's see if there's a short signal.
Look how that drops. Damn it. No, I just feel like an idiot because I didn't short it.
I'm telling you, dude, that 0.5 level is a kind of... I don't know. I have my psych level theory. I mean, if it rejects so hard off of 0.5 really quickly, I mean, either it was going to rally there or... I mean, it's trying to load up, but it's breaking down. This is probably going to end up being like a harmonic on the 1 hour. So, yeah.
There's nothing. The next one is on the 4 hour, and this is like 88 pips down.
That's what I'm saying. I honestly think it could... Okay, maybe not... I'm not going to speculate 88, but definitely at least 50. Maybe.
Next level is 24, and the next larger level is 48, and the low is 85 from the current price.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't usually aim for lows, though. But yeah, I hear you. I see that. That low's 24 down, and the next one's a bit, yeah. I gotcha.
Oh fuck. Casual 4 pips. Just put in 100 lots and you're done for the day. That's why I like the VWAP. Even if you just want to scalp, just wait for the VWAP. Load up hard and then just, when it stops moving, take profit.
You hear me?
Price action.
Yeah, let's see. You know what? I'll humor you. Let's go in.
I'm not selling it.
Oh, okay. I'm just, I don't know what I'm doing.
It's like really asking for it.
Dude, I got it. I'm just making fun of you. I got in with 20k. Just a troll. Let's see if it works out. 50 pips, let's go.
And now it's gonna go straight down, 85 pips to the weekly low.
It could.
Then I'm gonna just jump out of the window or something like that.
If it works out, I'll take a screenshot. If it doesn't, I'll pretend it. No, I'll take a screenshot. It's just 20k though.
80 pips to the 3.5 pip stop.
Yeah. Dude, it could go. I didn't even do my analysis yet. What's wrong with me? Terrible you. Alright, let's see. A lot of wicking right here, but it might just go.
You see the momentum, there is still some juice.
Oh yeah. I just get concerned when things push down and stop moving.
Yeah, me too, and especially now because Frankfurt is in, and when London comes, maybe they change them. How's the economics, and by the way? This German data, this is gonna make an impact for sure.
I was gonna say I haven't looked at fundies in a little bit, to be honest. But yeah.
Oh wait, it's passed already. Never mind, I'm just an idiot.
I don't know. I don't look at the volatility calendar. I just like rude awakening.
Oh wait, there's no data. It just previous minus 1.8 plus 2. That's like 3.8% change. There's no data yet. What are the Spanish doing?
Yeah, dare to drop. Dare to drop.
Spanish unemployment is lower than expected, which is good.
Alright.
And French CPI is higher, but lower than expected. Wait, hold on a second. The yearly is higher, but the monthly is lower. But they are all better. Now that's gonna slow down the US dollar movements. It's the dollar index. US dollar is going down.
Yeah, we Gucci.
Be not such a good idea to sell the yen. It's probably better to sell dollar yen.
Ah, it's okay. I just hate myself. I don't know. I had enough good trades this week. Let's just be silly. Except the other day. We don't talk about the other day when my broker fucked me. Fucking Kevin. Kevin, if you're listening right now, I just want you to know I covered my loss, alright? And I'm ashamed you only used a 3-pip stop. That disappoints me. You were an all-in. Alright, back to doing real analysis. Where's my template? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't actually have a signal to sell yet with my system, but that's okay. Once I get the signal, I'll probably pile in real size.
The euro is going up too. I will not sell it. It still looks like a sell, but probabilities are diminishing as we speak.
Yeah.
The markets are pretty much toast, so this is still a sell. The Japanese yen always gains on market losses. So that means this is a sell. It's just the problem that the euro is now picking up some speed.
Yeah. It happens.
Maybe we're lucky and the German came out. Oh, sorry, fake news.
It's fine.
Look at the DAX, it's dropping like a stone. Everything is lined up, it's just the freaking US dollar. Well, maybe, probably the euro.
All right.
Just note your China's Ministry of China regulator briefing. Chinese Finance Minister Liu Kun says that China sees tax fees cut to exceed 700 billion yuan in 2021.
Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Nasdaq.
China Minister there says there'll be no sharp turn in fiscal policy. That's China Minister. No sharp turn as we had in fiscal policy. China set to keep fiscal policy continuous, stable and sustainable.
Think you've got my number figured out. A motive born in drought and brevity. And if I'm not the soul of your design, I blatantly decline your remedy.
Whoa!
Box me in,
Shit.
don't, or I'll leave. I'd rather be a dreamer. I'd rather be
Aussie dollar.
I'd rather be a leader. I'd rather be a queen. I'd rather
My pizza.
trashy color band. I'd rather be a closer. I'd rather be clean. I'd rather be a poser.
The pepperonis.
I'd rather be pretty much anything else than your machine.
Cheese stuffed crust all gone.
I wasn't always just a single shade, a palette full of gray in reverie. And I can burn it brighter than the sun. I have a golden gun inside of me. Don't box me in, don't, or I'll leave. I'd rather be a dreamer, I'd rather be free, I'd rather be a leader, I'd rather be a queen, I'd cover band. I'd rather be a closer, I'd rather be clean, I'd rather be a poser in a magazine, I'd rather be pretty much anything else. And if I fall behind, ignoring all the signs, and if I lose the fight, I still rage against the I'd rather be a dreamer, I'd rather be free, I'd rather be a leader, I'd rather be a queen, I'd rather be a singer in a trashy cover band. I'd rather be a closer, I'd rather be clean, I'd rather be a poser in a magazine, I'd rather be pretty much anything else than your machine.
China there says it's to prevent risk from local government debt.
Aussie yen. Aussie dollar. Aussie yen.
Or geopolitical news now, as China says it opposes the US statements on foreign journalists.
Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. Oh wait, recap. Let me just really quickly change the Alright, there we go.
Aussie yen.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna end it for this week, but I'm just gonna make a quick recap on what was this trade about actually. So I know, it was pretty straightforward. I'm still on a short bias on ASEAN and generally on the yen pairs, since the markets tend to go down, so the Japanese yen always gains in value. So in the early morning, I just sold it. Here when it went back up, testing the weekly VWAP, and then I just left my house, and I actually went higher than planned. But if I would have been there, I would have scaled in pretty hard, but I didn't because I was not at home at this time. So and then on the way back, it just went below, and it started to test the VWAP here, and then I just added significant size and moved the stop down, and then it tested the VWAP again. When the VWAP was already much lower, and then I added a lot more size and moved the stop down, and I just closed it here at the session low, which is here the same level here and here. But my target was actually this area here, where this support here comes together, and the blue line is actually the head and shoulders here from the actual reversal. I cannot really see that, but it's pretty visible on the 15-minute. So the short signal is basically still in play. I actually should have held a piece of it just for the fun of it. So my short idea is about 88 pips down to this level here. Something like that, maybe 80.1 as a conservative one, or actually weekly as one, I'm not so sure. But yeah, I'm not a swing trader, so this is not something I'm gonna do. Anyway, have a nice weekend everybody, and talk to you guys on Monday. Or in the Discord, of course, over the weekend.